Can you smile? Can you smile? Oh. You want to smile? What? Yeah. Let's see. What do you see? Yeah. You want to smile for Mommy? You can talk? Say hello. My name is Ellie. Look at Mommy. Why aren't you looking at Mommy? What are you looking at? What's that look? Oh, there we go. That was a big one. So sorry for all you viewers. That was a big one. Yeah, I'm a big girl. I'm on a very cute outfit that my mommy doesn't want me to get dirty.